Do you enjoy camping through the holidays and spending time with your family? Imagine doing this every day, even through the winter, with no real protection and no family. Doesn't sound so fun now, does it? It's not just adults that become homeless. Young people do too. We all hate having to get up for school in the morning or doing homework, but imagine if we couldn't go to school. Imagine if we couldn't see our friends each day or have a chance at an education. What would our future look like?
We sometimes think that everyone is like us. This isn't true. We all go through different things and we all have different struggles. Some people have family breakdowns or difficulties in their relationships. Others have problems with their physical or mental health, whilst many live in poverty and struggle to eat. These, as well as other circumstances, can lead to homelessness.
In the UK today, 4.3 million children are living in poverty. Poverty increases people's risk of homelessness. Take a look around your school. That equals nearly half of everyone you're looking at. 136,000 young people were either homeless or at risk of homelessness in 2023. This number is likely much higher as many people are hidden homeless and stay with friends, sleep in cars or stay with strangers. 8 out of 10 young people that used a homeless centre were due to a family relationship breakdown. 85% of young people referred to homeless services are struggling with their mental health and suffer from anxiety and depression.
At Caring Hands, we offer a safe place for people to come and receive the support they need. Whether it be food, showers, washing clothes, medical care, or help with accommodation, we are there to support them.
With the help of all your donations last year, we were able to provide a breakfast and a hot meal for over 25,800 guests. You gave tins and packets of food, such as rice, pasta, soup, and veggies, which all went to feeding those that were struggling and homeless. This year we are asking if you would be kind enough to do the same. We thank you so much, as without you it would not be possible. Thank you for being a superhero and stopping someone like you from becoming homeless.